welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, today I'm working on my lovely Hilux here. This is actually my personal car. Today we're going to be changing the AC fan blower motor under the dash. Super straightforward. There's heaps of room to get up under there, but if you haven't done it before, you might not know where it is. So of course, my job today to show you where it is. I'm going to tell you the size of the nuts, and yeah, basically 3 little screws. Pop your fan out, undo your plug, smack your new one in, and yeah, put it back in and you're good to go. Alrighty guys, now if you do need this part, don't forget everything that we show you or teach you how to install on this channel is available on our website, partsfactoryoz.com.au. I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video. But other than that guys, I'll give you a quick look at the product. I'll compare it to the old one. Obviously you're going to see that it's a direct OEM replica, 3-year warranty included, and they're like $148.30 brand new, delivered directly to your door anywhere in Australia, free express post, so you can't really go wrong there. Now, just to give you a little insight, coming through us, using this repair and buying our parts, going to give you savings of up to $400 guys. So if you do appreciate that, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you can, subscribe to the channel. I do have other videos on this car teaching you how to do other stuff. So yeah, check that out for sure. Let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, so this is the fan blower motor here. What I'm gonna do is just pull out and show you exactly where I'm actually going. Now, if you are left-hand drive, it's gonna be on the other side. So yeah, obviously cruise around the other way, but yeah, pull up into here and you just look straight under. I've got a little torch there just so you can see, but if you're in a well-lit area, you should be right to just go for it. Now you can see there, I'm just trying to get a nice focus, so just there in the center of the frame, it's a little 8mm or a flathead, but I suggest using an 8mm so you don't thread the thread of the Phillips head, etc. You can see one there, and then you can see one over in the corner there guys. That is literally all it is. Now this little wire here, you can just grab it and pop it down, and then see this wire here, you can just depress it and pop that down. See that like that? Super straightforward, guys. It's really quite a simple job. Tuck that wire out of the way just like I did, and then yeah, grab your 8mm, rip those 3 bolts out, and yeah, I'll be back with you in a sec. So once you've undone them a bit, you can actually just finish it off by hand. Hopefully you don't have a bunch of wires running in and around your car, to make it much easier for you. Now try and do the back one before you do the front one, because otherwise the fan will drop down in front of the screw and you won't be able to see where you're going. Okay, there it is there, and then of course your last one here, and then finish it off by hand. If you've got to push the fan up, push it up. There it is there. Pop the fan out, and that's it there guys, all done. Alrighty guys, so I've just gone ahead and unwrapped the Parts Factory one. As you can see, like I mentioned before, they are an OEM replica guys, so if you spin it around, you will see that it is literally, they are plastic molded, copied, identical replicas. High quality brushed motors inside, and they come with a 3-year warranty anyway guys, so what do you got to lose? If you need this, link in the description of the video. Alrighty guys, so there is actually nothing wrong with our fan, so we are going to be putting this one back in. So you can just pretend that you've got your new one in the mail, etc, etc, and then yeah, put those 3 8mm back in, and yeah, happy days. Alrighty guys, I know it was a quick and easy, simple video, but yeah, a lot of people like to just at least get a simple direction so that obviously they can tackle the job on their own with a bit of confidence. Alrighty guys, don't forget, if you need the part, link in the description. Make sure you like the video if you can, and subscribe to the channel. Got other content on this, and also a lot of Can-Am content as well on the channel, so if that's something you're interested, definitely check it out. My name's Lucas, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.